ตัวมันตายเงี้ยนี่เนาะนั่งนี่ในฉลองวันนี้เลยชวดเดลีกินดีไซเคิลกินนั่งนี่ตลายhajar kilometer งี้ยมันตานั่งนี่malah tamlan bangay kini sipai berokaj kejingnya cycle nang ni sedeli oh ni toh mentas ngi dan nang ni hapo la shumer nang ni ngini le jakate ke bus kate di ke bus ke benon shaw ngi nang ni menta begini yo ban li shong cycle nang ni shilong chpo delhi kani kadi kesni aku bagi rakhi nanti napo Assam Rifles ya taka azadi ka amrit Mahotsav hakabang kinya dak cycle nang ni shedu Delhi tinggal patip kan long kumno ini late menta we have here with Abdul Jawad and we have to leave our bikes here.
Yeah.
So I thought of taking our bikes, but then yeah, it's far. So they're providing us free vehicle, free transport. Which cycle will you be using?
Now you caught me. See, this is what he does.
So this is the bus. This new one here. Nan beri orang ni menuru latang mengiar ngutang ni. Tinggal si PC ke banjamu. Dari kia don menuru ke mandangwan ke bikin sawan mentah tenre. Ya mentahi tempat don bawan.
Maybe today is Sunday.
Yeah, today is Sunday and
many of us, like you see, we work late night.
And it's just 5:30 now.
5:30.
No, it's almost 6. Yeah, it's almost 6. The bus was here since 5:30.
No, it came at 5.
Oh, it came at 5.
Yeah.
My goodness.
It came at 5.
Nadusan mo ji kaladan ni bus sang ni kadang abeng ni mentangin ya lit nyo. Hajing sang aling lading man poy ni nadusan steng tang babak latya. Akong tiya bun pelat. Poy na slam. Okay.
Then, let's move.
Yeah. The bus with the lead is nobody here. And we are the only passengers here. So nice, no?
So nice. Social distancing.
Okay. This is VIP treatment also. Yes. Dan momen menuru ni tentang mengiar kot. Bila si kesayawan na kali lajong na stay. Ini dagi ni mentanang ni napo na sumir. But yung latest po lagkor. Kali kadi po Assam Rifles po lagkor. Dikendan ki kato kani ki sipai ki ban ya kani ki ban nya ki cycle ki ban minang ni sulong ki ban Delhi. Kita ini video berdua no. Curai luang teh. Di itu masih ada tadi. Ni masih mau sudah. So, kena boy. So, ilai boy hang ni kini di kemudian kerja kali pelong di program berkata ente di stage.
And so we are here.
And it's like hi from everyone.
Hello, this is Priyanka,
Hi.
the famous reporter from the Doordarshan, Kendra Shillong.
Thank you.
And this is a beautiful day. What are we expecting today, Priyanka?
Definitely a very, very good, beautiful Sunday. And definitely the theme is Azadi Ki Amrit Mahotsav. We are going to celebrate it in a super manner.
Nice. Nilai don hang ni mentah pipet ni kini kisipai ke don hang ni sibun wa kita kena school ruang teh kita kena school kita ki sipai hang ni na Assam Rifles kita kini ki pa jong ki nong ile lalu jong kari ki babon tai di jaka beki kin penlong ke function mo tinang ni kita kumalai phu arngu di ki ban ni nang ni Perkin sa donru giban po Assam kita sa join lang Delhi. Tikani kadi sibanta ban rakhi ya kata ka jing dap nyup san senem Independence ke jengda new sarsnem balai lut kari tibat kani gadi kawin kita program manten kre ya kata ka ya kata celebration mo ya kata jengrafi kasi ngali sa kapong jacket ban laut umlong nan kubo beli jibun fi page mo mentaling aso ko mala aslam kami ole video show aso ko mala lagi benai le mentar ko try kanu arteo e mak kani di kawin ni video ko ba biasa kan long kejing penbernyan ba cumi to dari kani kedai ka kejing rakhi mo mene di kejing rakhi nam kejing dap new sansnem kejing lalu jong karimo ke bat ngalingo hakno kudur bigi kini nya cycle nangis dus dalhi kumalai hajar ars 4 kilometer il ngambak la di nya tan kabat sipang so kumala klan tenre kini banya tak cycle dus itu di kalong ke ba sirkai ba bun ki bana nong krem ki tip bahaya kani jaka hang ne ngatra ki ya lenti physio I hiru man kapor itnat ba ka jaka kahe ba madan haniru kini hani hadin ki de ki band member jong ka Iron Maiden ki de band member jong kani hang ni ki ban satem bad hang ti ki jing bam ni simno ne we toh kin kiong man sedang hang ni new steng kini ni new steng di mentala prabuji tempat sedang Jesi kan sedang mentah sipang teman ring kata-kata kalai acara 4 kilometer menong baniat tengah-tengah langsung malu pa hantip kan long kemnu tama ini pe kalong ke ba phala lesi ber ke ba kami ikon nga syukurnan bandan khasi hang ni ki bannya cycle untuk nyawat tu menem bandan khasi kibun ki banabar kiban simetahani nomor ki David na po Assam regiment mo tigidan kiban Assam kidan manang ni kumta tartan jumpa mayo nang ni what did you get?
Look, I'm so thirsty. I'm looking for water, searching for water, but I have to drink fruity.
Good,
no
no.
water.
That's
No,
classic.
but what's the
Water is something different from the fruity.
Everything in that box was sweet. So the Assam rifles are very sweet.
Very sweet.
Very sweet people. Dimentang lipin nyo ini ka cycle ke ba ngan senya menta bandit dali. But saya kid bakar yang tajong. So we are taking cycles now, no?
Yeah.
Okay. The lardan na pling jupi bampa ji kulai. Anyone of you haven't seen a horse, a decorated horse? So this is
These are not horse. These are called khachars.
What?
Khachars.
Oh,
Khachar.
How do
These
I
are
know
not
that?
horse. These are khachars. They are tall. Look at their height.
Oh my goodness. That's really big. Okay, so where are the cycles?
All cycles.
To mentang ini ya, ni nak nang ni Shillong banilit po Delhi gini digi cycle gibudan nang ni, par 1000 kilometer ngini ya mentang nang ni, 1000 kilometer nang ni stu Delhi. Di kini di ka cycle ke jonga be fifi nang ni, di ka kerteng ke Firefox puni di sibilor bandap nang ni stu Delhi. Mo, e bis kerengkai kani mde balik maka te rei te to ni stenat pat ba kibun. Kawan pini fiknya di kini cycle giban lech buat Delhi mentamo. Ta kini kide kidan kuma kibun tli yang ni kuma laipo Arteli ay mat kidan ni bro khan tinang ta kibandang join na po Assam ru kidon lai 1000 kilometer dakni ka sit filam suthu ka kay ka bala ban chia ngai la dia bom punya cycle te ani nong tang 4 kilometer la thalan tinang duk lai 1000 kilometer filam suthu ti ki perlok jungi babon ki baju stanat banyak cycle ngatrai kali di kawe ni ki dream ni ki sos ni la dayo ban le kan ni mo Fairfax la akum ketu ka search engine hapo internet ni gi bikan gi borokha jadi kaju hi ka ka company mat borokha la nyu tang ti ka wei hang tai pagidang don susu ti wei hang tai ro to la le borokha are you left behind man. How come?
That's what.
This is my vlog actually.
Okay.
Yeah. Show your face. Show your beautiful faces. Yeah. So he is Gopajit from
PIB.
This is Abdul, Doordarshan, and Priyanka from Doordarshan again. And we were just left behind by the team to Delhi.
Yeah. I wish we were there with the team.
We team have woke up at early 4:30 a.m. and it's a very proud achievement. We did it.
But unfortunately, they flagged off at 9. We woke up at 4:30.
We are the responsible journalists and the media.
Whoa, this is nice, yeah?
Photo.
Oh yeah.
बस बाहर नहीं सका नहीं बिल्कुल
अभी बहुत फोटो सेशन कर रहे हैं
तो कनी कदी का पुंग बले से फिला बनिया Songliang teman ri menta dan songliang sanem tem songliang tinrai kani jaka hangni dik best ba but kebahe baru ngatrai ki nong ki ba na nong krem phete ba pisia sanai ki nong krem brok khai phete ba mo trai lai rung yemi momen kepor teman rai dik bom padi kani jaka kebahe ba hangni ting lawan menta kani dik kesin ke ba lai lawan dia but man kepor bawan yu bi ki jaka betmai te ketu dik jungnya cycle Om jong ba good free man Henry jong kisipai nang ni mo ngali te tang hamadan ru mukat ba Henry hoi bar kawe bun ni ju bi ki bai kenu ha bun ki artatir man keren nama kita mut yo ngam dei nomor de ki hana dape kamera ijrong ba Henry ha perkai berit to man to Henry nang ko bi shop ni ka bi kenu ha kan du berit bal pio i ha Suba sakran ma wat lempiang desi kan kejing deng mas mentah kala bentin bakla ti Henry ngam tangan nong ka size jong nu thai shubo banda de thai ka size kali ha de kani kali ne de ka size kali de kejing jong kat tu kani de kejing jong ra tam review I ya hai phila ban karen mo si sien ko bi shubo mi phi ini video but nak team jongi is here.
Bye. Sign off from
Abdul,
DGL
and all the TNT guys.
and thank you uncle for dropping us.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay. Thank you. Okay.
We'll see you.
Okay. Thank you.
Dah kani kau pakali begini time apa?
Ladies.
Few moments later.
Oh kita kalau nak kita lanjut sah lagi sesuatu gini lanjut sah. Polis. Oh ya. Kalau tamlan mga ikiling sipay barokad kajingnya cycle nangi sa Delhi. Kung mga sini. Ajop mga sini. Yes, sini guys. Yes, walang nih kong. Yes.